Guide to using Midjourney AI. Make amazing images. Do you want to know how to create mind-blowing AI-generated images using Midjourney AI? Then you've come to the right place. As AI is becoming more advanced, more knowledge is being spread about it. It used to be way more complicated, but with the rapid pace of the digital age, information about artificial intelligence became more accessible. This also leads to more companies and institutions investing in developing various applications involving artificial intelligence. With more people discovering how beneficial AI is, would it be wise to get ahead of the game and try to supply the demand that the people have? Various AI applications have already become more common despite how seemingly advanced they are. Some of these include ChatGPT, Google Assistant, and of course, Midjourney, which will be the focus of our video today. Artificial intelligence has proven time and time again how helpful it is to society. It makes things easy not only in the workplace, but also when it comes to operating various systems and creative endeavors. But with the good comes the bad, because there's also a lot of controversy in regard to AI. There have been many incidents involving AI which revolve around plagiarism, copyright issues, and other ethical dilemmas, especially in regard to the originality of an output created by AI. And in line with our focus for today's video, Midjourney is also getting its own fair share of criticism, focusing on intellectual property theft and originality of the AI art that it produces. On the other hand, some are praising the application because it pushes the limits of creativity, especially with how the application enhances existing creations and can create inspiration for new art pieces. Hey there everyone, welcome back to Amazing AI, where we talk about all things AI and all related technology to it. Today we'll be delving more into Midjourney and its incredible capabilities of creating AI-generated art. If you're interested in AI-generated images based on text prompts, then this tutorial is for you. We'll walk you through setting it up and using it, and how it can help you bring your creative ideas to life. From photography concepts to logo designs, we'll explore various prompts and showcase some fantastic results. We'd love to provide you with more AI content that interests you, so please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. First things first, what exactly is Midjourney? Alongside ChatGPT and other AI programs, you have probably heard about this program. It's a powerful AI system that produces images based on the text prompts you provide. It'll basically turn what you typed into a visual. The more detailed the prompt, the better. Whether you're a photographer, graphic designer, blogger, or just someone looking for fun and creative ideas, Midjourney has something for everyone. To use Midjourney, you'll need a Discord account. If you don't have one, don't worry. We'll guide you through the setup process. Discord is a platform for communities where you can interact with people and even bots. It's mostly used for communicating with people via different channels and servers, which is useful when you're playing games or if you just want to talk with other people. In Midjourney's case, you'll be interacting with the Midjourney bot to generate images based on your prompts. Here's a step-by-step guide to getting started. First is to create a Discord account by following the link in Midjourney's Getting Started section. It can be found under Quick Start. The second is to verify your Discord account as per the instructions provided. Third is to visit Midjourney's website, midjourney.com/account, to subscribe to a Midjourney plan. And unfortunately, you heard that right, aside from the free trial that they give out, Midjourney requires you to pay a subscription fee in order to continue using it, ranging from $10 to $120 per month. But this doesn't mean that you should skip out on what Midjourney has to offer, because these prices are definitely worth it. So once you have subscribed to a Midjourney plan of your choosing, add the Midjourney server to your Discord by following the instructions given in the Getting Started section. Once you're in the Midjourney server, start using text commands to interact with the Midjourney bot. Now you're finally done setting up. Feel free to go wild and experiment with your prompts. Now that you're finally aware of the basics of Midjourney, what do you think? Is it a sham or is it beneficial? Do you think that it deserves the controversy it's currently in or not? We'd love to know what you think, so comment below. Now back to the processes of Midjourney. And now that everything has finally been set up, let's dive into generating images using Midjourney. The main command for creating images is to type /image prompt, and your description, as it looks on the screen. This simple command will generate images based on your text prompt. You can describe anything you want, and Midjourney will work its magic to create corresponding images. This program can push the limits of your creativity and how you will put those text prompts to use. If you are good at verbalizing a visual, then this tool will definitely be your bread and butter in various creative activities. The basic prompt itself works a lot of wonders. If you're not that good at typing out the things that you want to visualize, then don't fret. Feel free to just do trial and error and you can see how the images will result in. And of course, there's also a whole nother world of advanced prompts, keywords, and parameters you can use to fine-tune your results. If you are more proficient with verbalizing visual images and concepts, then you can use Midjourney to its fullest potential. And if you want to further improve your text prompt skills, try diving into Midjourney's documentation for an in-depth understanding of all the possibilities. There are different guides to various prompts such as image prompts, multi-prompts, and even remix feature that creates new images based on prior images. Now that we've discussed what Midjourney is, let's explore some fun examples of prompts you can try. For photographers looking for photo shoot ideas, an idea would be 30-year-old male model with medium-length blonde hair dressed in a cowboy outfit standing in the middle of a deserted road. With this prompt, the image will be fleshed out, which will then can serve as inspiration when you try to do the photo shoot in real life. Midjourney sure has a lot of capabilities. Now we can see why the developers are charging people for subscriptions. This kind of AI service is very hard to replicate. What is your favorite feature of Midjourney so far? Let us know in the comments, alright? Now back to the video. For the second example, we have something for bloggers. If you will ever be needing illustrations, an example prompt would be old abandoned roadside shack in rural Oklahoma captured at 3 p.m. in ectochrome style with a hyper-realistic touch. As you can see, it is very detailed. The more detailed the description, the better the image will be. We also have for graphic designers. Seeking logo ideas can often be difficult, so this prompt can help out. Emblem for a rock and roll themed coffee shop featuring crossed guitars and a coffee cup. Voila! An AI-generated logo that's created in less than a few minutes. One of the best parts about Midjourney is its ability to generate quirky and imaginative ideas. So let's have some fun and come up with crazy prompts. Racing motorcycles in a futuristic style nighttime city scene reminiscent of modern assassin movies. Fireman close-up yelling inspired by a voice actor's style of yelling in a horror studio. Santa Claus coming down the chimney with a curious dog looking on with lights coming out of its eyes. And to conclude the video on a romantic note, how about a couple kissing in the rain, or a couple elegantly dancing under the moonlight? And there you have it, a comprehensive tutorial on using Midjourney. Whether you're a professional or just exploring your creativity, this AI system can be an excellent tool to spark ideas and bring your imagination to life. Make sure to read through Midjourney's documentation to explore all the advanced commands and possibilities. Here at Amazing AI, we always make sure to provide you with news and other updates in relation to this field of knowledge. If you want to stay tuned to what the Amazing AI channel has yet to offer, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.